Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is updated and that your phone has a stable connection. This matters because modern sites use redirects and HTTPS. Once done, open Chrome settings and clear site data only for sites you need to access, which removes cached blocks and stale DNS. Make sure background apps aren't forcing system proxy or VPN profiles, then relaunch Chrome so the app picks up the clean network state and default DNS resolvers. Now you switch Chrome to use secure DNS to avoid ISP-level blocks. Open privacy settings and toggle use secure DNS, picking a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Once set, make sure Android or iOS Wi-Fi advanced settings don't have a proxy or custom HTTP proxy enabled, and disable any persistent VPN apps. They can route traffic through blocked exit nodes. After changing DNS, close tabs and reopen the specific site, so DNS resolution. Finish by testing in an incognito or private tab so extensions don't interfere. Load the site and inspect the certificate and redirect chain to confirm you're hitting the intended server. If access still fails, switch secure DNS providers, flush the system DNS cache, or reboot the device to force fresh resolution. If problems persist, check whether your mobile carrier enforces blocks or reinstall Chrome to remove broken profiles. This step resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.